Hello guys, what's up? Hope all of you will be fine. Welcome to .NET Masters. And this is our fifth lecture on C#.NET. In the previous lecture, we learned about the core features of C#.NET. In this lecture, we'll be learning about C# datatypes. Let's move to the core points regarding this lecture. As every language is used to solve problems that may contain input, we have to specify what our problem is. Then we should provide the necessary parameters according to our problem in the form of data. And what data is? It is the collection of raw facts and figures that can be put into the computer. Then the computer performs some actions upon it and supplies the result in meaningful form. Now, there are two types of data in C#.NET. The first is primitive data types. And what a primitive data type is? It is the built-in data type that is provided by the .NET framework as part of it. There are a lot of things to say upon primitive data types, but we have to understand the basic idea behind primitive data types. As we know that an atom is the smallest particle in matter, but it is further consists of protons, neutrons, electrons, and things like that. So the basic structure or basic building blocks of a matter is an atom, and the building blocks of atom is the smallest particles that lies inside the atom is proton, electron, and neutrons. Similarly, there are some of the basic building blocks that makes any language are known as primitive data types. Probably you all are familiar with C++, C, or maybe Java. Similar to that of all these languages, C# contains some of primitive data types that are the basic building blocks. And they are int, float, character or char data type, bool data type, and etc. The int means numbers. The solution of any problem may need numbers to process. But an integer in mathematics does not have an integer part greater than 0, or the decimal point of an integer data type will be 0, means it does not contain any fractional value. But a float data type contains fractional value. As in real life problem solving, we may require to provide some of the Fractional values. The character data type consists of symbols, characters, and alphabets. It may contain symbols from 0 to 9. Then it may contain upper and lowercase letters from A to Z. Then it may contain some language-specific characters or symbols as question mark, full stop, apostrophe, quotation marks, exclamation marks, semicolon, colon, and things like that. And a Boolean data type may contain a value in the form of yes, no, or 0, 1, true, or false. And there are more primitive data types that we will be learning in the next lecture. Besides the primitive data types, C# may contain user-defined types. And what are user-defined types? Or a user can create their own required data types in C# in the form of classes, in the form of structures or structs, and in the form of enumerations or enums. But we may create some other user-defined types that I have not mentioned here. So I wrote etc. at the end of user-defined types. So that's enough for this lecture. And in the next lecture, we'll have some closer look at data types, and I promise you we will be typing directly into the Microsoft Visual Studio. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and have a nice day.